Welcome all to the start of this week's vlog. Today is the 4th of November. It is of course Bonfire Night weekend and we are off to a firework display. So let's hope things are going to be explosive but not too cold. So it is now the 5th of November, which is officially Bonfire Night. We have got the trusty flamethrower, went out, and we've also got sparklers from B&M. Yeah, B&M. We've also got the last of the remaining fireworks that we've had for a while. So we're going to light them, not in the conservatory, outside. Make sure we've got a little bucket of water, and yeah, let's light some fireworks. Come round here where there's no, and come down a bit more. Honestly. Nearly gone out, and they come. Pretty. Oh, that one flashed, that one. Now we've used up all of the fireworks and all the sparklers, so what's left? To go to our local rugby club and watch one final firework display, which hopefully is going to be a little bit better than yesterday's because that was very mediocre. But yeah, let's go, let's wrap up warm and watch some fireworks. And there we go, guys. That is it. We have come to the end of this week's vlog. It's been very, very explosive. We've seen some great firework displays. Obviously, setting our fireworks off is also one of the highlights of kind of having your own house, doing your own thing. We've got some great photographs with the sparklers as well, which is going to be really, really good. Kind of managed to get our names and stuff. But yeah, guys, that is it. Hope you've all enjoyed this week's vlog. Stay tuned for another fantastic vlog coming very soon. Until then, guys, I bid you all farewell. Bye-bye.